Hello and welcome to my class. In this video, I shall be showing you how to get this done. Okay, so sec theta minus tan theta in one bracket multiplied by sec theta plus tan theta is 1. So that's what we want to prove. Now what we are going to do will be to start with recalling the difference of two squares. So let's recall that a squared minus b squared can be expressed as a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this particular rule is called the difference of two squares. Now based on that, we are going to let a to be equal to sec theta, and we are going to let b to be equal to tan theta. If that is the case, then it means the expression sec theta minus tan theta in bracket multiplied by sec theta plus tan theta will be equal to the next line, sec theta all squared minus tan theta all squared. So that is by difference of two squares. Now please take note that in trigonometry we write sec theta all squared as sec squared theta, while we write tan theta all squared as tan squared theta. That means that sec theta all squared minus tan theta all squared can now be expressed as sec squared theta, okay, minus tan squared theta. Now, holding on to this, let's now go to recalling something else. So recalling that from trigonometry, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1, and dividing through by cos squared theta gives the following, that this cancels to give us 1, and this automatically gives us sec squared theta, and this gives us tan squared theta. Now, recalling this particular equation from trigonometry, then I'm going to call this equation 1. What we have here is equation 1. I'm going to call this equation 2. So now I'm going to make from equation 2, I'm going to make tan squared theta my subject of formula, and that would mean having sec squared theta minus 1. Now I'll call this equation 3. If you substitute for equation 3 in equation 1, then what we shall have will be, anywhere you find tan squared theta, we are going to replace that with sec squared theta minus 1. So I'm going to have sec squared theta minus, instead of tan squared theta, I'm going to put sec squared theta minus 1 in that bracket, and that will result in sec squared theta minus, when this minus opens the bracket, minus sec squared theta, and minus times minus 1 gives you plus 1. Now clearly you can see that sec squared theta minus sec squared theta would give you 0, so this reduces to 0 plus 1, and this reduces to 1. This shows you that sec theta minus tan theta in one bracket multiplied by sec theta plus tan theta in another bracket gives 1, and this completes the proof. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video and staying attentive in this class. Until some other time, please do like and share this video, and also endeavor to subscribe to my channel. If you don't know my channel name, please, on YouTube you can find me at GER Hub. So this is my channel name on YouTube, GER Hub, but please do well to follow my page, John Hussein, okay, on Facebook. Like this video, share this video, and I'll see you in my next class. Thank you very much.